How to cancel transfer money in Remitly. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main dashboard, look for the Transfers or Transactions section. Tap on View All to see your current and past transfers. Scroll through the list and find the transfer you wish to cancel. Tap on it to open the transfer details. In the transfer details, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Transfer. Note that this option is only available if the transfer has not yet been completed. Tap on it, and a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Read the details carefully and tap Yes, Cancel or Confirm to proceed. You should receive a message confirming the cancellation. The transfer will now show as canceled in your history, and you may receive a notification or email confirming the action. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.